TheFunds.com, and I'm Channer.
I'm Money Mish.
See, these are the cases they say that would never be won, but all it takes is one.
Urban culture vlog. We are trying to promote
in Toronto,
and we're trying to promote not only local talent but talent worldwide. This is things that interest us, things that interest you, things that interest your uncle, your aunt, your cousin, your brother, your sister, your stepdad, and your dog. What to expect? You can expect a top-notch vloggers. No, but for real.
No, because that is not what we're doing.
We're not ratchet. We're literally just two teenagers from Scarborough, Ontario, Toronto, Ontario. We're
best friends.
Don't touch me. No, but for real, we really want to show you what interests us. There's what you can expect: interviews. You can expect updates. You can expect updates on events. You can expect different festivals, things that are going on in Toronto. We're going to be the ones there. We're going to be the ones covering it.
So if you have any inquiries, we'll have a contact page, and we'll be more than happy to support whatever your movement is. And then as soon as I stop, you have to say something.
I know.
What motivates us?